How you doing, James Margie here at JTech, and we're going to give a little instructional video on the concepts and the parts of a drive axle. A lot of people call this a differential. Well, the differential is technically parts of the inside. Overall, though, this is your drive axle. This one here happens to be out of a Ford. Drive shaft would connect right here to the pinion shaft. This is the pinion yoke. Right in through here is the pinion shaft connected there via the yoke. The seal here keeps the fluid in. Bearings inside of here keep it straight and steady and allows it to turn smoothly without a whole lot of friction. As we come in back in through here, right down in here, as you can see it, is the pinion gear. So again, the gear, the input from the drive shaft turns the pinion gear. The pinion gear then spins this ring gear right here, and the power is then transferred to your differential cage or case or carrier, and on there you've got a number of different gears. You got 2 side gears, one for each axle, and 2 spider gears, as they're commonly called, with a connecting pin between them, and then that helps divide power to the 2 wheels. And then each one of those axles are splined, as we can see on this other example right here. Just a solid bar on this axle here with a bunch of little grooves in it. So the splines are on the insides of these 2 gears, sending it out to the axle. Now, kind of the purpose of the differential is to allow one wheel to slip and the other wheel to turn. So that way, as you're going around a corner, one wheel will actually slow down, one wheel will actually turn faster, and then it divides the power between the 2 in order to not damage the tires. And that, one of the things is called scrubbing, and it's especially important, especially on the heavy-duty trucks with dual tires on the back. If you're going the same speed, you're going to end up having one that's going a little bit too slow, and it's going to start wearing the excess rubber off. And as you can see, so if this tire, and again, if you're on the rain and the snow, and you start slipping, this tire right here would be getting the input from the pinion gear, and it would be spinning right here. Loss of traction on this tire, as that tire is just sitting there. Some of them have a thing called limited slip, to where there'd be a spring pressure in here, which would then divide the power a little bit more evenly, applying some torque to the non-traction tire to allow it to actually then grab it from the engine. And then at that point, we end up getting spinning. Show a little bit more like this, and then since this is not grabbing, power to grab it, you can see how it goes right there. It just turns the opposite wheel. There's a number of different styles also, with different types of gear meshing, but this is one of the most common types of differentials that are found in 90% of rear-wheel drive vehicles, trucks, and heavy-duty vehicles. So hope this showed a little bit, and you got a little bit of a concept of how a differential works. Thank you very much.